Here topic is your 12th CBSE board preparation regarding your Halo Organic Chemistry Volume 2. The first lesson is Halo Alkanes and Arenes. In the topic, so far I have completed classification, nomenclature and preparation over regarding properties. Introduction is physical properties. Chemical properties we are continuing. Under the chemical properties we are having three headings: nucleophilic substitution reaction, elimination reaction and a reaction with metals. So regarding nucleophilic substitution, I gave the introduction point. Now we are going to see some set of examples also we have finished in the previous class. Now then we are going to see today's SN2 reaction. In the SN2, let us see one by one. What is S mean for? Substitution reaction, nucleophile, and it is 2. So it is given as a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, let us see one by one the explanation. The 2 is given, the rate of the reaction is second order. What is the meaning of second order mean? The rate, kinetics lesson already you might be finished. The rate of the reaction depends upon the concentration of the substrate, that is pure alkyl halide, and the nucleophile, that is depends upon two component mean. It is called as a second order reaction. Based on that only 2 is given. And the next what are the points of that mean? Rate is already I gave directly proportional to the concentration of halide and nucleophile. And the next point is molecularity of the reaction is as well as order both are the 2. So that means in the element based step 2 reactants are taking part. That is the definition of molecularity. Next point is this reaction is going to take place in a single step reaction. Okay, before going to see the remaining point, let me come to the example, then I will come for explaining. Now let us see the example of this reaction. Now I am writing the overall reaction methyl chloride with that nucleophile OH minus. Here in the medium of the acetone, it is called an aprotic solvent. What is happening is here substitution take place and the product is this is called it as a leaving group. This is the product. This is called it as a nucleophile. This is called it as a substrate. In the what is it called organic chemistry, the reactants are labeled as a substrate. Okay, now what is happening here? This one in the expanded form I am giving. Here same methyl chloride. Here your Cl, your nucleophile is coming to attack on the backside attack. This is the nucleophile going to attack on that. This is overall I get here the way of following the mechanism. It is follows the backside attack and Cl is removing with this electron more electronegativity. So now what is happening is this is we are calling as the transition state. In the transition state, the chlorine it takes back its electron and OH spins its electron, and this state is called it as a transition state. This is called it as a transition state. Next condition, in the after transition state, the totally Cl is removed and you are getting now new attachment of this bond takes place here. Previously the halide is like this, and here what is takes place is 100% inversion is takes place. This is the important point. So now this is the mechanism of the SN2. Now important point regarding the transition state is these 3 bonds are lying in the one plane and the CCl bond and COH bond are perpendicular to this plane. Okay, so now let us coming to see the data. What is going to be seen? Here I am starting with our fourth point. This one is the single step reaction. I think you might be known. That is the reactant, transition state and the product. So this is the single step. The next one is the important point is In this reaction, the nucleophile should be the strong nucleophile. So this here, the example what we had is this is the, we had this nucleophile, it should be the strong. Next point is regarding the solvent. Solvent should be aprotic. Aprotic, you can call it as a non-protic also, both are the same. So what is its contribution is, they not giving the not donate, that is the meaning, not donate H plus ion. So such a solvent you have to take. Parallelly it should be polar. So condition is polar aprotic solvent. Example is available, your acetone. Because of this polarization, this is minus and plus. So it is protic, sorry children, it is polar. Same time, it is not donating H plus. It is not donating H plus. So it is called as a aprotic polar solvent is suitable for this reaction. Now reason is why you have to select aprotic. If you are having H plus ion mean in the medium, it will be react with OH and give us a water. So what happening, the OH minus will become inactive. To avoid it, the solvent should not containing the H plus ion. The point number 6 is very important. Next one is, we are having 3 more points. Rate of the reaction in the SN2, we are seeing the SN2 mechanism. It is inversely related with the steric hindrance. So what is the meaning of steric hindrance mean? Please let us see here. This one. The OH is coming and attacking on the backside. Why it has to approach backside mean? This is minus. This is also minus. Like charges repel. So it cannot approach this direction. So it is come and attack through the backside. So if you are having the bulky group here mean, the rate will be reduced. So the not having, should no bulky group. So that is called it as a, if it is bulky mean, it is called steric hindrance. No bulky group mean the steric hindrance is less. So this group should be smaller. Then only the rate will be faster. Now let us see children. So if you are having bulky group mean, the rate will be slower. So this is the deciding the rate of the reaction in SN2. Important point. Remaining 2 more points are regarding alkyl halide. This is methyl halide is more reactive than primary. Primary mean you can take it as ethyl, propyl, etc. Which in turn more than secondary and then tertiary. Tertiary is very slow because here the reason steric hindrance is more. So it is lesser reactivity and this is the most reactivity. This is applicable for regarding the substrate. So what is the deciding regarding the substrate is, this is the order of reactivity. Primary is more preferable because primary is the less steric hindrance. That's all. Now based on the leaving group. Now this is based on the leaving group. That is leaving group mean which is moving away. Based on the leaving group, who is the fastest one is the, that is with the iodide. Because I minus is the best nucleophile because of the bigger size, easy to bigger size. This is the weak bond. The minimum energy is taken to break. So this is the fast in action. So I'm comparing the alkyl halide. Iodide is the best than the bromide. Bromide is better than chloride and the fluoride is very slow. So this is the, usually you are not considering the fluoride. So this is the thing deciding the rate of the reaction depends on the leaving group. All the points are very important. Next class video I will upload for SN1. Prepare well children. Thank you students.